Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Jamila's Thoughts. If you're new here, my name is Jamila, and I usually like to say my famous tagline, "It'll be famous one day, not right now, but famous to me," because I say it all the time, is that I like to give my thoughts on whatever I'm going to talk about today. And that can range from like skincare products, which I like to talk about, or about like my lifestyle, things that might help in the future. I'll be doing that probably more so like towards the end of this year, maybe early this year, and also too, my big thing right now that I'm talking about is my natural hair journey. So going along with that, I have dwindled down to products that I'm trying that I would like to start using on a regular basis that I feel like really works with my hair. And one of the last products I'm going to try out, and then I'm going to shoot a video or put a video out probably next week of giving the results of which one I pick. So the product I'm going to try out today that I'm really excited about is CurlMix. So there has been such great reviews on this line, product hair care line. It's amazing. I've already tried like some of their stuff already, like a sample of like their flaxseed gel, which is really great on my hair, and also too they had like a growth serum, like a serum that you can use for different things. It wasn't just for growth serum. You can also use it pre-poo, other things. Anyway, there's many other things I can't remember now, but I'm really excited. So I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna show you guys the product a little bit, and then I'm gonna get started on doing my hair with them. So I like that the package comes like this, and look at that. I like that a lot. And I also like that in the package they give you this booklet, right? And it gives you a detailed process, basically how to use each product step by step, which I'm going to follow through because they know what they're doing, so I'm going to follow through in terms of that. So I'm just going to show the product. So here's the clarifying shampoo, and I got the line with for the hair growth line, and they have different ones with different scents, and this one has watermelon scent, so I'm really excited about that. I showed you the clarifying shampoo that removes buildup. They have the hydrating conditioner. It has grapeseed in it, and it's ultra slip. And the clarifying shampoo is with infused with aloe vera. If you haven't seen that, if I didn't see that when I showed it. And then there's the moisturizer. It's Organic Hemp Seed Oil, and it's avocado moisturizer. And then lastly, the gel, like the hair gel, the styling gel, is the flaxseed gel, the pure flaxseed gel. So it's a 4-step process. I'm gonna go and begin my process of washing my hair and basically following these directions, in which I like that they do that, because that's how you really know if you're really using the line correctly, by following their directions. So I'll be back. I'm just gonna shampoo and condition my hair off camera, and then I will give my thoughts on those two products, and then we'll go from there. Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Alright, I'm back, and I am really happy, satisfied, impressed, blown away so far. And that's crazy, even though I use the shampoo conditioner so far, the step 1 and 2 of the process. So I believe I said earlier, I got the hair growth line underneath the CurlMix's line. They have different targeted focuses for your hair that you want to do. I got the hair growth one because I'm trying to grow my hair, obviously, and it has a watermelon scent. So I did the clarifying remove buildup shampoo. Amazing. So I always pre-poo my hair, and usually that helps leave my hair to be soft and prepare using a shampoo. Now, oh my gosh, so usually my pre-poos help my hair feel very soft, and I was going to try after I put the shampoo on. It's supposed to be clarifying. Usually sometimes clarifying shampoos can be kind of like really clarifying, that can really like almost make your hair feel very brittle and not soft to the touch, kind of feel very, as thanks to Hey from the Friend Zone. Well, she said it, like, give a great description of Hey. So thanks to her, she's probably not gonna watch the video, but thanks to her, that's a really good description, and that helps me to know if really clarifying shampoo really is great, or any shampoo. So anyway, so I used the shampoo. It definitely clarified my hair. My hair did not feel like hay, and it didn't feel brittle. It felt very soft still, even after using it. Like, my hair, it was amazing. So I like this shampoo. for CurlMix so far. And the main focus is aloe vera leaf juice. So that's the main focus. There's other stuff in it too, but as you can see, probably can't see too well, but it has the avocado pure pure aloe vera shampoo. So that's great. So the next thing I used was the conditioner, which the focus is grapeseed oil, but it has other stuff in there too, and it's mostly helping with hydrating ultra slip. Now, this product definitely was hydrating, and definitely was ultra slip to my hair. I would say but definitely added slip. There's slip in my hair with this product. I don't know why I'm struggling saying that, but anyway. So I divided my hair into sections as it suggests, and I used my tangling brush. And man, immediately when I comb my hair with this conditioner, my hair was so I felt the slip. Like, it was amazing. Like, it was not a struggle for me to comb my hair, and I didn't have to put like so much product like in each section. I put a little bit and immediately it just worked, and I'm very surprised and impressed because for my type of hair, like, it's always you know, you're on your own head thinking that your hair is different and probably won't work, and it's like a struggle. But no, this product is like, it caters to everybody's hair, and I'm really shocked and really impressed and really surprised and just really happy with this, with the results. So this shampoo conditioner are really great. Now, you probably noticed that I have my hair turban on, my microfiber hair turban towel on. So before I start the next step, which is step 3, is to moisturize. They say to suggest to do a deep conditioner before you do moisturizing. So I'm going to do that off to the side right now, and then I'll be back to do the moisturizing process and then go from there. So far, I'm really happy, really impressed. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Alright, I'm back, and I just finished doing my deep conditioner treatment. So now I'm going to do the moisturizing part, which is step 3, adding the moisturizer. And it's, I guess, said for the other ones also too, the main focus, I guess, is infused with avocado oil, and it has other stuff too, like hemp seed oil and stuff like that. So per the instructions that they said in their pamphlet, it said, like, for depending on your different curl types, like if you have coily, kinky, curly and coily, or waving curly. So since I have curly and kinky hair, or excuse me, coily and kinky hair, I'm going to apply 2 pumps per section. So you'll see me do that. I'll probably do this 2 sections, and off camera I'll be back to do the gel. So I'm just gonna do the front section, probably for these 2. And I'm gonna figure comb my hair after I applied the moisturizer, because that's what it says in the instructions. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Alright. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to do the remaining sections and I'll be back. So, stay tuned. Alright, I'm back. I just finished adding the moisturizer in my hair. And I don't know if you guys saw when I was doing the other 2 sections, I didn't even notice myself that already my curls are being defined, which is really nice. Like, I like that a lot. And even adding 2 pumps added like a lot of moisture to my hair, and running through my fingers and my hair was so easy. Like, it was not a struggle or anything like that. So I like that a lot. I noticed they did mention that you should do this in the shower, but for demonstration purposes, I just want to show you guys how I use the product. So I know it's not totally, I'm following the steps, but don't discount like I'm not totally doing it wrong. Excuse me, don't discount like I'm not totally doing it right, okay? Just wanted to show how I use these products. So now I'm going to do the flaxseed gel. Now I'm going to finally style my hair. And based off the categories that I said that they define in there how to follow with, which is the coily kinky, the curly coily, and the wavy curly. I'm looking off the side because I have the pamphlet here to read. My hair is coily kinky. So I'm going to add 2 pumps to each section, and I'm going to show that with you guys. So I'm going to just show like 2 sections again, and then off camera I'm going to do the rest. And this flaxseed. This styling gel is with flaxseed, like the focus, but it has other stuff too. But I just can feel my curls already. Like that. Okay. Like that. Alright. Now I'm going to do this side. And for the sake of this, I'm just going to do one more section. And it's going to be the lower one. And then I'll do the rest off camera. Alright, I'll back and I'll do the other sections and then we'll go from there. As you can see, I'm now done adding, I'm trying to show the side, sorry. I'm now done adding the flaxseed gel to my hair. For the different hair curl types that they define, like I keep saying, like I've said before. So for mine, the coily kinky hair, they suggest to blow dry my hair. And they said air drying is not recommended, so either diffuser or blow dryer. So I'm going to blow dry my hair right now. I'm obviously going to put my heat protectant on and everything like that to be safe. And after too, when you put the flaxseed gel on, they say don't touch your hair anymore, because you know you have a tendency to want to touch your hair to feel the texture and everything like that. So once you're done with each section, to your liking, just don't touch your hair anymore. So that's what they said. So yeah, so I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna go and dry my hair, and then we'll go from there and get my final thoughts and also reveal the final look of how it came out. All right, I'll talk to you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so here's my final result of my hair. Okay, so I will say I really like this product a lot because it wasn't too much product buildup. You know, it didn't take too long to dry my hair at all. I used the blow dryer and everything. Like it was probably taking like maybe 20 minutes top, and that's the fastest that I've ever dried my hair. I really like that a lot. Especially the back, you can really see my curls defined, and even the front you can see. So yeah, I really am impressed and really I like this product. It's really simple. If you follow the directions, you know, you're really going to get the result that hopefully you'll get with these products. Like, these products are amazing. I really liked how defined, when I put the moisturizer in, how defined already my curls were getting, along with the flaxseed gel. I saw that too. Even just with the suggested pump size, or not the pump size, but the amount to put, like 2 pumps, is all you needed. So yeah, CurlMix is amazing. Please give it a try out. I think it's really, and I think it really will do your hair justice. Like it's amazing. Like I love the smell because I got the watermelon one and it's great. And so yeah, thank you for watching my video. Before I go, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to you all, whoever's watching this video. Please have a safe one, and I hope you have a good time with your family and friends. If you're doing a Friendsgiving, hope you have a good time with your friends as well. Please just try to enjoy. I know the holidays are going to look very different this year because with everything going on, but I just hope that you can at least find something that can bring you some type of peace, maybe some type of escape a little bit from what's going on. I know that's not possible for everybody, but I just hope you have a safe and happy Thanksgiving with your loved ones. And I thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button so you can get notified of more videos in the future, and hit that notification bell. Please like and comment on my video. I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts on if you guys tried CurlMix. Maybe suggest other product lines within CurlMix that you try out or anything, whatever. So yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video of mine. Alright, bye.